Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Lexus NX300 F Sport. It's featured in ultra-white exterior with a gray leather interior. It's offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $47,619. As we move around to the back of the vehicle for additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Trey. His contact information's listed below. So here we see the LED tail lights. We also see the NX350 badging as well as the F Sport badging. Really an impressive array of features on the F Sport, and we'll jump into that here in a moment. As we slide down the passenger side, you can see the removable roof rails. They are lockable, so if you've got your skis and you want to go skiing this winter, throw them up there with confidence. As we take a look at the 18-inch wheels, these are F Sport package wheels with 225/60R 18-inch all-season tires. We have bi-LED headlamps with daytime running lights, LED tail lights, as I mentioned. As we dive into the rear passenger area, it's a 60/40 split fold-down rear seats. And here we can see the dash. Great look at the dash as well as the rear vents for the back passengers. We have a power moonroof. As we slide out of the back and into the front, there you can see the power. Both front seats are power, driver and passenger, power adjustable seats. The F Sport package also includes the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. So we have a sport-tuned suspension, F Sport NuLuxe seats, sport-trimmed, perforated leather-trimmed F Sport heated steering wheel, paddle shifters, front fog and cornering lamps, premium LED daytime running lights, F Sport door scuff plates. There you can see those right there. Black headliner, black outside mirrors, active sound control, and aluminum pedals. There you can see the aluminum pedals right there. Great shot of the dash from door to door, from the back seat, center stack. Really a well laid out vehicle. As we tilt back and show the power moonroof. We had a little bit of a weather day that day. So here we can see the power seats, power windows. We have memory seats. There you can see the sport tuned aluminum pedals. The white stitching on the leather seats. Very, very comfortable seats. Push button start and stop. So the rear seats are manual reclining and folding. We also have the Lexus Safety System 2.0 lane tracing assist, road sign assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian protection, all-speed dynamic radar. There you can see the power side mirrors. They are power folding side mirrors, which is really handy when you're in a parking lot. That way you don't have to worry about someone smashing your mirror on you. We have 4.2 full color multi-informational display. Fingertip controls on your steering wheel. Eight airbags, brake assist with smart stop technology. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa. Lexus Enforce remote with a 3-year trial with smartwatch and Alexa skill integration. Lexus multimedia system with an 8-inch color display you can see right there. As we punch through the heated seats, the heated steering wheel, as well as vented front seats. Electronic parking brake. Lexus 8-speaker sound system. As you can control the climate control on your screen or on the manual controls. Here's additional little cubby for additional small items, as well as your center console with additional power ports in it. and a nice little personal tray that you can put your change or a pen, a couple of personal items. The glove box where you have all of your owner's manuals. It is a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as we can also see the paddle shifters here and drive mode select. We have economy, sport, and normal. As far as rear storage is concerned, we have 17.7 cubic feet of storage with the second row seats up. When you fold the second row seats down, 54.6 cubic feet of storage. We have a tonneau cover, first aid kit, carpeted floor mats, and the rear hatch is power up and down. There's the first aid kit. All-season rubber floor mat for the back cargo area, as well as an additional power port. As we push the button to close the hatch and get another great look at the quarter shot of the profile. As far as the engine is concerned, it's a 2.0 liter turbo engine producing 235 horsepower, all-wheel drive, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you 22 city and 27 miles per gallon highway. We appreciate you watching the video as we take another quick zoom in on the Lexus front badging, as well as the dynamic radar.